If you want tips on what to pack for your vacation, then keep on watching.
First things first, you need a really good toiletry bag. Today we're repurposing Lumiere de V's Skincare Brush Collection travel bag. Vacation mode is on, so here's how you can arrive to your destination refreshed and radiant. These are the new Lumiere de V Eye Revive gels. Recharge and revive your under eyes by using an under eye gel patch. These are a quick and easy way to looking restful when you reach your destination. Another way to feeling refreshed is using a good facial mist. Our Lumiere de V Rosé Refresher is a quick and easy way to replenishing the moisture in your skin.
It's really easy to overpack your makeup, so that's why I really love the Lumiere de V Skincare Brush Collection bag because it's compact enough, but you can still fit just everything you need on the trip, and I'm going to show you how. My number one tip is to get an all-in-one palette. So this is our Besos palette collaboration with Thalia, and it's all-in-one. So you have all your 8 eyeshadows here, blushes, and your lip shades. It's very compact and perfect fit for this makeup bag. Choosing an all-in-one palette like this is gonna really help you maximize your space and still give you everything you need.
Here's the skincare we're packing for our getaway. An essential that you need in every vacation is an SPF. This is the Lumiere de V Daily Brightening Broad Spectrum SPF 50. If you're going on a tropical getaway, you need moisture. Our Hydrate 3 is amazing, a hyaluronic acid serum. Our Rosé Refresher, like I said, is a quick and easy way to replenish the moisture in your skin. Our Lumi sticks are amazing just to get that hydrating, dewy look and also the sun-kissed blush look. And of course, since we're packing in this bag, we are packing our skincare brush collection. And for anything that doesn't fit under 3 ounces, if you're flying on a flight, you can use one of these cute little containers to fit your products. I get mine from shop.com.
And here's the makeup we're packing. So let me go through my little bag here. So I did say our Besos palette all-in-one. Definitely an eyebrow pencil to get those eyebrows snatched. I always like to take a few different brushes just to have options. You know, you can create eyeliners with an angled brush like this, and you can create eye looks with your Besos palette with just a couple brushes like that. Our Flawless Face Stick Foundations for highlight and for contour. So these are very nice, easy. They won't get your makeup bag or toiletry bag dirty, and you can just apply and go. What I like is that it's a cream foundation, so for your vacation, you will stay looking dewy and beautiful. Then, of course, mascara just for a little lash love. I always like to take a couple extra lippies as well, maybe one nude and one bold, so you can switch it up each night, or if you want to have like a little bit of a brighter look for dinner, you can go ahead and pop on the more bright color. My last little thing that I'm packing in my vacation bag is our liquid metal eyeshadows. This also is great for maybe like a nighttime look, and it's very compact, easy to go. Just apply, blend, and you'll be good to go. So it's important that you check off all the boxes. Make sure you include your skin makeup, eye makeup, blushes, lips, and that's everything we have in our makeup bag. You can shop these amazing items on modiscosmetics.com or lumieredv.com. If you have any questions or simply loved our tips, leave us a comment below or send us a DM. Thanks for tuning into The Beauty Filter. Till next time.